Drivers behind the line. 3, 2, 1, go!
It's time for match 14, y'all, and the Red Alliance starts us off with about 6 or 7, nope, 11 it looks like, pieces of fuel scored in the Red Alliance hub. Blue Alliance not really using robots to do this one. They'll launch these fuel in from the human player up and over the Alliance wall, several of them bouncing out. A little bit trickier to get the angle from that kind of distance that the Blue Alliance is looking for. Lots of that fuel actually ends up back in the neutral zone for the robots to pick up later. Red Alliance wins autonomous by just 1 point, and so they will go second in our teleop score shifts. Both alliances race to the neutral zone to find fuel for their future scoring efforts. Chain links out of Seattle will start us off for blue. 7 or 8 pieces of fuel now, probably close to about 15, 16 scoring so far in this shift. Their alliance partners also roll in. That's C cubed out of Puyallup. We'll see if they're able to contribute anything to the match score on this particular shift. Just a few seconds left, and the hubs will flip. Blue turns off, red turns on, and we're ready to see what the Red Alliance has in store offensively. There's the Sushi squad over by the trench on the scoring table side of the field. They find a quick sight line to be able to launch some fuel into the hub. Their alliance partners also scored a bit there. That was Raven. Red Alliance now sitting at 23 points. They trail by just 1 point as an alliance, and their scoring shift will end. We'll have a couple of last-minute straggling pieces of fuel over on red, but now blue picks up the scoring cycle. This one, a lot more adventurous. Several pieces of fuel landing in that central hub in one large volley. Here comes Chain Links with another one. They got to kind of back up a little bit there. Parabola just overshooting the actual mouth of the goal. Most of that fuel landing in the net instead. 44 points on the board there for blue. Let's see what red's answer to this is in the final alliance-specific scoring shift. Red Alliance popcorn as fuel goes airborne. A decent bit of it landing in the center hub. Some of it still overshooting into the neutral zone, but it's definitely dialing in here. Sushi squad starting to figure out exactly what their trajectories need to be. 2 seconds left, 1 second, and end game begins. Both hubs active. Human players from blue launching basket after basket, and most of them landing. Chain Links also adding some robot-powered scoring to that Blue Alliance cycle. Red Alliance, a slow and steady trickle of a few elements per second over there, and then it slows down for a little bit, picks back up. Sushi squad finds the goal once more. Connects a few more times. 4 seconds left in the match. 3, 2, 1. That's it. That's all. That's match 14. Match 14 is accounted for. The Blue Alliance takes it home with a final score of 80 to the Red Alliance's 56. Just 3 ranking points for each of those Blue Alliance teams. None of the bonuses. Most of the bonuses pretty elusive so far. We've had none of the tower or the supercharge. A few energized. Well, that's going to be it for match 14.